Think solving quadratics is tough? Let's make it your new superpower, one move at a time. Here's the challenge. The square root of 2x plus 6 equals x minus 2. Looks tricky, but we've got this. Step 1. Get rid of that square root. How? Just square both sides. That gives you 2x plus 6 equals x squared minus 4x plus 4. Nice and clean. Now gather everything on one side to set up your quadratic. Move 2x and 6 over, and you've got x squared minus 6x minus 2 equals 0. Standard form, check. Time for the main act, solving the quadratic. Factor, use the formula, whatever works for you. You should get two possible answers, x equals 4 and x equals 5 over 4. But don't rush. Go back and check both solutions in the original equation. Only x equals 4 actually fits. When you try 5 over 4, it just doesn't work. So your final answer? X equals 4. That's it. 5 marks in the bag, one for each step: squaring, standard form, factorizing, finding both answers, and rejecting the wrong one. See? Quadratics aren't so scary when you break it down. Tackle them with confidence, and go get those marks.